Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you in this tutorial how to create a custom curtain wall, grid lines and Mullion. Before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget like and share. So let's start. I click on wall and select here curtain wall. I draw a line here, this curtain wall I put here 20 meters. Now I go to south elevation. This wall now I have this height 8-meter height and 20 meters length. So how to create a custom curtain wall here for grid lines and Mullion. We call this frame, aluminum or steel frame. So if you click here, this 3D, this is one glass panel. So I want to create a custom which I need. I go to south elevations, and here we use these two commands. First of all, this curtain grades. I create this grades. Here I have three commands: all segment, one segment, all picked. Okay, so this all segment I need to create this all to use. First of all, this one I want to create a vertical and horizontal grid lines. If I need to create a vertical grid lines, to click on here horizontal line, so they will be create a vertical. Click one, here two. I need like this. I don't need to create this exactly dimension because this is just only to clear the concept. Now I need to make a vertical horizontal grid line. I need one here and one here and one here, three. Okay, now the second one, this is I need to make here this between this two grid line. I click here and click here and click here, one click here and click here, like this. Okay, this is only if you want to make between the two grid lines, so you use one segment. All expected segment, this is the same all segment, but there is some difference. I click here. I also, if you need to vertical or horizontal, this is up to you. I need here one horizontal, vertical, but I click here. So this is now you see this the red line. I want to create something different here. For this I don't want to here. I just one time click here and one time click here. Okay, now go to click this modify. So this is I click, this is one grid line, but not show here and here, which I don't need. So now this I create this all glass panel which I need as per my design. Now I need to create here a Mullion, and we call this frame, aluminum frame or steel frame, like this. You click here, this 3D view. Okay, this is now this is my grid lines, or now I create to Mullion here. I click here Mullion, and the same appear here three commands: this grid lines, grid line segment, all grid lines. Okay, first I use this grid line. I click here this one grid line, this will be select all and convert to Mullion. Show, see, like this is all select is Mullion, and I select this one already convert to Mullion. uh, this command used for uh, if I need only this area. If I click, this is all select. If I click this one, so this is which I need, I will create only this, and I will create only this, and I will create only this. This is for grid line segment, and this all grid lines use. I click here, any grid line you select, no, any grid line, if you select here, any grid line you select, the all grid line convert automatically to Mullion. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.